Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your email on Instagram account. So I'm just going to tap on my Instagram app. So you need to tap on your Instagram account or application. Then here comes the option right bottom corner of your screen. Simply tap on that, and then you can see your profile page. So what you need to do, you need to tap on the three line right top corner. Then again tap the settings and privacy, and you can see the account settings. Simply tap on that, then scroll down a little bit, then you can see the option personal details. Okay, simply tap on that, and you can see contact info, the first option. Simply tap on that. Now you can see your first Gmail account. Tap on your Gmail account, and you can see the option delete email. Okay, simply tap on that. Once you tap on that, then you can see you will no longer be able to use this email to log in, reset your password, or receive notification. So please note that you may not be able to delete this email from account where it is the only contact method. Okay, so after that simply tap the delete, then your this email will be deleted. So okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching.